Hey everyone, by now you've probably heard or seen the recent call to boycott Kellogg's, and I'm here to talk about it a little bit. I'm sure you're already familiar with the ridiculous statements that the CEO came out and stated. So basically, I've already been boycotting Kellogg's. I've been shopping at Aldi for the last couple of years. As soon as prices started getting high, I started shopping at Aldi. And the more I shopped at Aldi, the more I loved it. I also found out and realized that Aldi made a commitment years ago. There are no harmful dyes in any of the Aldi branded products. They made a strong commitment to our families and removed that from their products years ago. So not only are these products cheaper, they are healthier. So here's a good list. They're Frosted Flakes. It's pretty clear. Those are a replacement for the Frosted Flakes. And like I said, most people, the fruit rounds is commonly said that not only do they taste better than the name brands, look at that price. The shredded mini wheats. You really won't be missing out at all. And not only are these products healthier, cheaper, way cheaper. And this is a company that's made a commitment to us to protect our families versus a big, huge corporation that is coming out and saying that they are going to take advantage of our families because they can. People are struggling financially. This replacement of their products saves you just about $60. $60 is a lot of money. And Kellogg's basically was saying that I'm going to take that $60 from you because we can. And we are saying, no, you cannot, sir. No, you cannot. So replace those Eggo waffles with Aldi's waffles. These protein waffles, those are actually a little bit more expensive, but those are excellent. They are delicious. The Cheez-Its, people love these better than the regular name brand Cheez-Its. You're not missing out on anything, and you're putting money in your family's pocket. And I say that's the way to go. It's really pretty simple for me. Besides for the fact that, yes, I am furious with Kellogg's for even making a statement like that. But you know what? In this economy, it is important that we do what we can to put that $60 back into our pockets. And this is not sacrificing a thing to do it. You're having all of the same things that you always had before, but you are spending way less. So let's group together, do what we can. It's already working. If you've seen the prices of Kellogg's products in the store right now, like somebody said, cereals for 99 cents, that's just proving how much they have been ripping us off for all these years. So put that money back in your pocket and boycott Kellogg's. Thanks so much. Give this all the love, likes, comments that you can. Let's push this out as far as we can. Thanks, everyone.